Hi, my name is Michael McGinn, and welcome to the Web Applications Programming Technology Users Group, waptug.org. The mission of waptug.org is to establish a global network of distributed cloud server nodes powered by free and open source software to unite the world's computers together to solve big problems. The cloud network will host software as a service applications created by students at colleges that charter a chapter. Welcome to our training videos that will provide you with interesting tips and tidbits about open source software that we research and make available to you on our website. So please follow along as we explore our website and some of the features on it. So this is our main waptug.org website. We are currently hosting this in the cloud through a provider called chunkhost.com. We really like this as it gives us a solid VPS, which is a virtual private server, and it gives us access to the root and the command line, so we can have as much control as we would have if we were sitting right in front of the servers in the data center, aside from being able to reach out and actually turn the machine off. But we can do that virtually. We can reboot the machine, re-image the machine, load any software that we want to on it. Currently it's running Ubuntu, the latest version of Ubuntu that they have available, and they have a number of other options there, including CentOS and Red Hat. And you can also get a Windows based server if you wish. Very affordable. They give you a 30-day free trial. At the end of that trial, that you take a quick survey, and then you're given the option to pay for your VPS and continue your service. That's what we have done, and we pay $14.95 a month to have this service up and running. So basically what we have here is we've made a simple intro screen with a number of simple menu items here. The member node news goes to our Joomla 1.6 website. In which we have created a template for that. We allow sign in by Facebook or traditional login with the username and password. And here we will also be able to read the stories that we've posted. And this is our map of all the colleges in the United States that we hope to have chapters at eventually. Each of the members that signs up on the site gets a profile, and we have a newsletter that will go out on a regular basis, and anyone that's working on any part of the WapTug project will be able to contribute a project report to kind of keep the membership updated about what they're doing. We also have we're also testing out the Microsoft Office 365. At waptug.sharepoint.com. In here, this is a quick template that they allowed us to create using a SharePoint website editor. Got some interesting things on here. Here's a picture of me. Here's our servers. All of these are in the process of being connected to hopefully about a 50 gigabyte, or rather a 50 megabyte per second download link, and a 10 megabits a second upload link, so we should be able to stream our virtual machines from here and stream audio and video for the college radio station and video station. And we also hope to host virtual machines for up to 100 students to have a virtual machine on these servers here, as long as we're Cascadia students. So there's some basic things here that we haven't got this totally figured out yet, or fleshed out with what we want, but we've got the basics on there. And all of our members will have a member login that they can use to sign into the Office 365 and then have access to editing whatever parts of the website that they want to. This will be for club members. So back to that, and we'll go back to that and get all the way back out to the front. The next thing that we're going to be having developed on this site is a training video system. We're going to base it on a modified version of ClipBucket. Some things we've got to work on in order to make this work. We've got to work on our mail servers, get them up and running so that when people sign up they can get their confirmation email and so forth. And then we got to upload a couple more libraries, video services libraries, to the back-end web server so that this set of PHP scripts will compress and modify the uploaded videos that we create and that all of our members create and upload and share with us. All of our members that we give permission to will have access to our and we don't have a site security certificate at this point, but we will. We give them access to usermin so they can log in and modify their own websites from here. This will be we may keep this, we may upgrade to a cPanel and web hosting manager, or if we get some motivated individuals, we'll write our own custom in-house management web portal for that. And we also have photo gallery available, which is just will be developed into a simple slideshow application. Right now we just got some stock images there. And this is open source, so if you want to download the scripts that we're using, just click there on download. We're using the John Design Smooth Gallery 2.1 Beta 1 demo in order to showcase club photos and so forth. So there we go, back to WAPTUG. So there you have it, folks, the Web Applications Programming Technology Users Group. Now, we have a beta chapter that is forming at Cascadia Community College, and we have a number of domain names that we've registered to point to that. One we've been using the longest, we originally started out using waptug.org, and as we progressed we decided we wanted to use waptug.org as a parent corporation to manage all of these clubs that we end up chartering. So we have chartered a club at Cascadia called the Next Generation IT Club, and one of the domain names is tngitc.com, which stands for the Next Generation IT Club. And we're currently running this using WordPress as our blogging tool. and so forth and so on. We'll have just posts of stuff that go here about what the Cascadia Club is doing. And we got a forum, which may or may not be working. Oh, I guess they have gotten it up, so there's new stuff going on in here. Got an about us. Nope, haven't got anything there yet. So we'll jump back here. The other site that we have up and running, not much there yet, unless he's added new stuff, is www.ngit for nextgenerationit.us. Let's see what Todd's got going on there. Alrighty, just a very basic blogging site, content creation script called Concrete 5 for a content management system. So as soon as we get some more interest from the members of the club to dive in and start editing this, we'll see some more content up here. Alrighty, back to WapTug. So that's what we got going on, and so what we want to see is want to see more of these. We want to see as many colleges in the country install a rack of as many servers as they can acquire through donations and rummage sales and surplus clearances and so forth, that can run Ubuntu or any other flavor of Linux. We're also experimenting with Windows based server products, Cloud.com, Zen hypervisors, the Ubuntu Cloud and VirtualBox, and VMware products and so forth. But basically what we want to do is create a distributed cloud network where all of these servers are connected together to provide a distributed network of storage and RAM and processing power. We want to do it with as much free and open source software as we can acquire and integrate together. And eventually we'll have, one of these at every college in the United States, if things go well. For example, you can get here and zoom down into that particular college and check it out. And if you want to go to the college's website, so you've got the actual address and so forth there, the longitude latitude points, or there's the actual Apollo EDU there. You can go to their website and check out and see if they've got an active chapter on campus there. So please join. Simple way to join is just send us a email to waptug@gmail.com. Another great way to get more information about the local chapter at Cascadia Community College is to go to cascadia.collegiatelink.net. Is the direct way. They also have another domain name that you can type in, and that is mykody connection.cascadia.edu, and that will go directly to this site here, which is our Collegiate Link portal. And this is going to be launching at full speed fall quarter of 2011. Right now there's not a whole lot of information on it, but we do have a presence here. So as Cascadia students, you will be able to log into this using your Cascadia student ID for your email and the username and password that you use to log into the school network. So this will area right here will display flyers from the various clubs around campus, including ours when we have events planned. And we'll have a scrolling news reader here, and click on that and go to our area, and then navigate around it. There's a number of clubs that have yet to move in fully, but we are there. And so this is all you need here. So you're already set up to log into this system if you're a Cascadia student. But so for instance, if you wanted to join our club, we need you to come through this portal and register here. So for example, let me log in, and it's you'll type in your username and your password, and then your login, and then that will take you in, and you'll be able to you'll see a join button somewhere on here. Like for instance, if I wanted to join another organization, let's say go to Cascadia, go to organizations. So I wanted to join Access Futures. Yeah, you see this join organization button. So once you're logged in as a student, you click on that and you'll be added to our membership. But you'd go to organizations, and then scroll down and go to the Next Generation IT Club. So you can remember this link here, cascadia.collegiatelink.net/organization/the_next_generation_IT_club. That'll take you directly to this page, and then you'll have a login up here. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see the join button here. Click on that, and it'll ask you for your it'll automatically join you at that point. This will be our rolling news here, and so forth. Our events about who we are, and photo gallery, blah blah, some things we put up here. Our roster, so you can see who's actually members. Right now there's not too many that have actually gone through that process of signing up, but as soon as things move forward, this will be a long list. We'll be having elections coming fall quarter. If you're working on service hours for your college classes that you need to acquire service hours for, you can document those here. We'll have documents related to the club here, like our constitution, bylaws, forms and stuff that we need to use for project requests and so forth. Applications for the various affiliate organizations we're a part of, like the AITP and perhaps some others that we will come across in time. So that's the basis of this for the Cascadia chapter of the Next Generation IT Club, a chartered chapter of waptug.org. You have a great day, and we hope to see you online.